That was excellent. Thanks so much for those fantastic tracks and the foot tapping Dhinchak beats. We have a lot more of it coming up after the next segment. But before we get on to the next segment, I would now like to call upon Pranab. Pranab is an instrumentalist who would like to showcase his talent. He's an EMCer, so a big round of applause for Pranab.
Now you can check your mic. Turn on and tap it. It's going to go back towards you. It is? Really good. That's your mic. I turned it way up. You're all set. You got to speak up though, like you were before. It's perfect. The band is done. Right, but yes, those two are turned down. When I see you guys, I turn them up.
I'd like everyone to settle up. We'll be starting the show in a couple of minutes. Thank you.
We still got a lot of time. Oh.
Please settle down, everyone. We are ready to begin.
Hello, everybody. I hope everybody enjoyed the dinner. So, continuing on with the good work of Pratham, the good cause of Pratham, I would request Evie Adams, my counterpart at the Latin leadership team, Brenda, and MJ from Multigen, to please come on the stage and pick the raffle winners for Pratham. Can I have Evie, Brenda, and MJ, please? We're going to be announcing 3 winners tonight.
Good evening. This one's too tall for me. Okay. Do I just read? There's nothing inside. I think we need the tickets, please. Okay, he's on. Is everyone having a nice time? Didn't ISEC do a wonderful job? Thank you, ISEC. My name is Evie Adams, and I have the pleasure of working with Jackie and all of the employee circles at EMC, and I would like to thank you all for coming this evening. Everything has been wonderful. The food, the entertainment, the discussion. Shall we pick now? Okay. All right, the first number is 307-6670. Do they have to be here to win? Ah, here we go.
All right, let's see who's the next winner. We have 307. My glasses are not helping me here. 307-6758. Again, the last three numbers, 758.
And the next winning number is 307-6227.
Congratulations, winners, and thank you, Evie. Thank you, Brenda. Thank you, MJ. So, talking about thank you, the ISEC Holiday Gala is in making for the better part of this year, and it has taken groups of team, a lot of hours of planning to bring this event together. So I just want to take a moment to applaud the effort of everybody who has participated and put in time to put this event together. The services of our vendors, our partners, and everyone. So starting with, I want to thank all the participants and volunteers who have put countless hours of rehearsals and planning to put this show tonight. So can I get a round of applause for all these volunteers and participants, please? If I can have, I know that they are getting ready for the next piece, but if they are here with us, please, can you just stand up and be recognized? Can we get all the volunteers and participants stand up, please? I also want to take a moment to thank their families for giving up their time so that they could participate with us. So thank you all families, thank you so much. I also want to thank all our partners, our band, Dinchek. You have been fabulous. Sheila Verma for the choreography. Excellent. We're going to be seeing that pretty soon. Joel, Ajay, Ray Bazzano, Doubletree, our venue partner, being an excellent host here. Bollywood Grill for the excellent food. I hope you all agree. I would like to thank my team, the ISEC core team and their families, for the excellent work, for the amount of work that they've put in as a volunteer effort, taking time out of their work after hours. Excellent. I just want to applaud their effort. Thank you so much, guys. If the ISEC core committee members are here in the room, can you please come up on the stage and be recognized for your efforts, please? Could I have you guys please come up on the stage? Let's all give them a big applause. Can I get the slides back up? Can I have the slides, please? Once again, I would like to thank all our guests tonight, Howard, Sanjay. Thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you so much once again. Jackie, thank you for coming. Thank you so much for your support. Our friends at the Diversity Office, this has been a great effort. This has been a cross-collaboration effort, help from my counterparts at the Latin leadership team, Multigen, and all the diversity circles. So thank you so much, guys. I would like to say a thank you to the Thai Boston guest. The partnership has been great. So thank you so much for that. So with that, I just want to say that we are not done yet. I would now call upon the MCs to take us to the finale. And it's a great finale, so really looking forward to that. So before I can say bye, I just wanted to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays ahead. I hope you enjoy tonight, and thank you all for coming. Let's all give a big round of applause to each other, because without you, this event wouldn't have been such successful. So thank you so much for coming here tonight. Thank you so much.
Okay, so are we ready to have some prime time fun? If you feel like you have exercised your sensory organs enough, you are wrong. Because the upcoming channels are visual treats. So how about we travel to the different regions of the Indian subcontinent? The food has set the tone for what's about to come. And as we tune into ISEC's Travel Channel,
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Travel Channel. I'm Soumya, and today our travels are going to take us through the states of Rajasthan and Gujarat, two states in western India. These states cover most of the area of the large, inhospitable Great Indian Thar Desert. But that doesn't take away from the extremely hospitable and colorful culture and customs of the region. We now have for you a colorful performance that blends the regional dances of the states of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Enjoy.
होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयो रे
That was beautiful. Thank you. Can any program from the Indian subcontinent be complete without a performance from the state of Punjab? No. Punjab is located in northwestern India. The word Punjab is from Sanskrit and Persian languages, and it means land of 5 rivers. True to its name, Punjab has 5 rivers flowing through it. Punjabi traditions and ceremonies are a strong reflection of Punjabi culture. The customs are known for their rich rituals, songs, dances, food, and dresses. Bhangra dance began as a folk dance conducted by Punjabi farmers to celebrate the coming of the harvest season. The specific moves of Bhangra reflect the manner in which villagers farm their land. Today, Bhangra dance survives in different forms and styles all over the globe, including pop music, film soundtracks, competitions, and cultural shows. We now have for you a Bhangra performance by our own EMC folks.
channel. What we have today is a special episode celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. So here's for you the colorful, happening, and very popular Bollywood for you.
Hey folks, are you ready for some Bollywood music? Even if you've never actually seen a film from India, the word Bollywood immediately conjures up images of sumptuous, brightly colored productions shot in exotic locales, featuring beautiful stars in impressively choreographed song and dance numbers. This year marks 100 years of Bollywood cinema. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Thank you.
कसूर खफा मत होना रे मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना होठों में ऐसी बात होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई
सीना जुल्फों वाले जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ
वो अनजाना ढूंढती हूँ वो दीवाना ढूंढती हूँ जला कर जो छिप गया है वो परवाना ढूंढती हूँ
Remember the retro fashion of the swinging 60s?
Yeah, the mood of the 60s was romantic and colorful.
With Shammi Kapoor and Mumtaz shake twisting away to music, the 60s were sensational.
Hold on to your seats as we recreate the sensational 60s.
झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा हाय 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 झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे सैया आए नैन झुकाए घर में चोरी चोरी बोले झुमका मैं पहना दूं आजा बाकी छोड़ी मैं बोली ना 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 बाबा ना कर चोरा चोरी लाख छुड़ाया सैया ने कलैया नहीं छोड़ी हाय कलैया नहीं छोड़ी
फिर क्या हुआ
फिर झुमका गिरा रे हम दोनों की तक
फिर क्या हुआ? आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा, लिख लिया नाम इस पे तेरा।
सूना आंगन था जीवन मेरा, बस गया प्यार इसमें तेरा।
तेरी बिंदिया रे, हाय हाय तेरी बिंदिया रे, तेरी बिंदिया रे, हाय हाय तेरी बिंदिया रे।
सजन बिंदिया ले लेगी तेरी निंदिया। डफली वाले डफली बजा, डफली वाले डफली बजा। मेरे घुंघरू बुलाते हैं, हाँ मैं नाचूं तू नचा। लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
कहीं तो प्यारे किसी किनारे मिल जाओ तुम अंधेरे उजाले।
हम लेकर हम दीवाना दिल
फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल।
The 70s were definitely one of my favorite decades as far as the Hindi film industry goes.
Yeah, I kind of think of it as the teenage of Bollywood. There was romance, drama, and traditional acting just disappeared.
And how can we forget the rise of the superstars?
Rajesh Khanna and Amitabh Bachchan stole the hearts of millions of young girls all over the country. I'm going to dream about them while we listen to these songs.
It takes some time to take you back to the 70s, so hold your breath, guys. Don't get impatient. Once we are on the stage, we are gonna rock and blow you away, so hang in there. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है आंखों में यारों का दिल खो जाता है
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है आंखों में यारों का दिल खो जाता है दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है आंखों में यारों का दिल खो जाता है
अरे भंग का रंग जमा हो चकाचक फिर लो पान चबाए आहा अरे ऐसा झटका लगे जिया पे पुनर्जन्म हो जाए ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला
इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं मस्ताने हजारों हैं इन आँखों से वाबस्ता इन आँखों से वाबस्ता अफसाने हजारों हैं अफसाने हजारों इन आँखों की
अलबेले देखे, जवानी के रेले देखे, हसीनों के मेले देखे दिल पे। हो तू ही छा गया, हो तू ही छा गया। I love you। काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात, कहनी थी तुमसे जो दिल की बात। काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात, कहनी थी तुमसे जो दिल की बात। लो आज मैं कहता हूँ I love you, I love you, I love you।
तिरछी टोपी वाले, अब बाबू भोले भाले। तिरछी टोपी वाले, अब बाबू भोले भाले। तू याद आने लगा है, दिल मेरा जाने लगा है। तू याद आने लगा है, दिल मेरा जाने लगा है।
The 80s. All I can think of are the Queen Bees.
I knew you would start talking about Sri Devi and Madhuri Dixit.
Now, this was an exciting time for the guys. Can we please visit that era?
Sure, coming right up for you, the Jhatak Matak 80s.
का ख्वाब जैसे उजली किरण जैसे बन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे नरमी की बात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया सपने दिखाए अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है क्या करूं हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूं हाय कुछ कुछ होता है
The 90s, the era of the pop and gloss culture.
From the comedies of Govinda to the action of Akshay Kumar, Bollywood was loaded with some pretty cool talent.
Some of my all-time favorite movies are from the 90s. Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Rangila.
Whatever, I'm going to watch some rocking numbers, and so will you.
बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश उस पर जो बन का जोश जोश नहीं तेरा कोई दोष दोष मदहोश है तू हर वक्त वक्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त
आशिक है तेरा नाम नाम आशिक है तेरा नाम नाम दिल लेना देना काम काम मेरी बाहें मत थाम थाम बदनाम है तू बदमस्त मस्त
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त